COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes Jr. hopes the Supreme Court will speed up its decision on various issues related to the coming elections. These include the issue on the airtime limit on political advertisements, which the High Tribunal ordered temporarily stopped yesterday. Noel Perfecto filed this report.
After alleged demoralizing situations coming from no less than the highest court in the land, Chairman Sixto Brillantes of the COMELEC is now back in his senses and says he will abide with whatever the decisions of the Supreme Court makes, provided it hastens decisions on the merits of the case, and refrain from issuing early temporary restraining orders and status quo ante-orders, which Brillantes noted has been very confusing on the part of the COMELEC.
Dapat naman pakialaman ng Korte Suprema. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, pakialaman nila kami by coming out with a definitive position, definitive ruling. Sabihin na nila, mali kayo, okay lang. Sabihin nila, tama kayo, okay lang. Pero wag nila sabihin, hindi pa namin alam kung mali kayo, tama kayo, tumahimik muna kayo o wag muna kayong gumalaw. Iyon ang hindi ko gusto.
It should be done in a what?
Well, I just want them to be firm and definite in their decisions. Wala ho yung bitinan, lalo na kung lumalapit ng eleksyon. Ngayon, kung gagawa ho kami ng mga aksyon ngayon at kinakabahan na kami, na baka lumabas na naman ang TRO, di para kaming napipigilan na umaksyon.
On his alleged resignation from his post, Brillantes said he's leaving it all up to the president, whichever way he decides on it, and he will respect said decision, but clarified that the president will not impress or dictate on him his actions to be taken, but simply to get his opinion on the matter.
I was contemplating of resigning kasi hindi ko naman pwedeng desisyonan. Alam ko naman na marami akong magagawa pa. Pero kung magagawa naman ng iba at makakatulong ako, baka naman pwede na rin ako magpahinga. Tapos na rin naman ang aking major trabaho. Hindi naman sa ayaw ko, pero kung makakasagupa ka naman ng ganito mga problema, hindi naman dapat talaga problema. At ang Korte Suprema ang naglalabas ng mga utos. Para naman kaming natatalian ng kamay namin. According to the Constitution, we're supposed to be the administrator and enforcement of election laws. Hindi ba kami dapat ang nasa front? Paano naman yung katatamaan ka palagi ng TRO at status quo?
Meantime, Brillantes boasts that the COMELEC is ready for the forthcoming elections and that nothing and no one ever tried to put a stop to the implementation of the second automated elections this May.
Hindi, mag-issue sila ng TRO, okay yan. Mag-issue sila ng status quo, okay yun. Issuean lang nila kagad sa umpisa, tapos tapusin nila yung merito kagad. Hindi yung walang TRO, walang status quo, pero ngayon, after 2 months, kagaya ngayon, bigla magkakaroon, status quo. Imbis na merito. Ilang araw na lang tayo bago magka-eleksyon? Less than 1 month.
For the People's Television, Noel Perfecto.